Hi, my name is Ashley, and I'm a data migration specialist with Import2. I would like to guide you through the import process so that you know what to expect and help address all the questions you might have while going through the data migration process with us. After selecting your new tool and pressing Start Sample Import, you'll land on the Import Status page. The sample you've started will import a random selection of each record type from your old database to your new one, so you can review the results of how your actual data will look like in your new tool. Once the sample is finished, we'll send you an email confirmation so you know when it's ready to review the results. We know that the process starts so quickly that it might feel like you don't have any control over it. The first question that usually pops up is, can I undo the sample import? The short answer is yes. Simply reach out to our support and ask us to remove the imported data, and we'll delete all the records imported by us. Rest assured, we only remove records that were imported by us, so in case you had any other data in your new tool already, don't worry, this will remain intact. Okay, so now that you know you have control over the import, let me address how long it takes to complete. Typically, the sample import is completed within 1 hour. However, there might be some exceptions, and if your particular import requires some manual steps from our team of specialists, it may take up to 1 business day to complete the sample fully for you. If there's something we need your help with to get the sample done, we'll be in touch via email as soon as possible. So that may be clear now, but where do I find the sample records, you might ask? Well, when your sample's finished, you can click on the Imported Records link to go directly to the sample data inside your new database. At this stage, you might be wondering, what record types are included in the data migration? You can check this by clicking the Total Records link on your import page, which will expand to show you all the record types that are supported for your specific migration. If you can't find something you're looking for, feel free to drop us a quick question. As long as your tool allows access to the record, we'll be able to migrate it for you. By the way, if you need to filter out records from the import, create custom field mappings, map your users, or any other type of custom work, let us know so that we can include this in your import requirements. You can let us know via chat or email for the quickest discussion, but you can also schedule a call with us anytime in case you need to discuss the requirements in more detail together. Now that the process becomes more clear, you might be wondering, how much will my migration cost? Well, once your sample's ready and we've calculated your old database size, you can click on the Purchase Full Migration button to see the pricing packages that are available for your specific data migration. The price will depend on your database size, as well as what specific requirements you need to include. For example, those custom field mappings or filters that we mentioned earlier. If a requirement you need to include is not covered here, feel free to reach out to us and we can review the details together to provide you with an accurate quote. Thanks for listening! Now that you know what to expect from the sample import, the only thing that separates you from enjoying your new tool is reviewing the results of the sample and purchasing the full migration. Once done, our army of well-trained migration gurus will take care of all the small details of your migration with love, care, and responsibility, so you can spend all of the time and effort you saved on more crucial things for your business.